Hi, everybody. So we're going to be jumping back into our addition and subtraction practice. And we're doing our next section today called Break It Up. So last time we added with our number blocks, our ones, tens, hundreds, and then eventually our thousands. And this time we're going to be changing these numbers into expanded form. We kind of did a little bit of this, but this time we're going to see if we can add by doing this without needing those extra manipulatives. So what we're going to be adding today is 572 plus 431. Let's start by putting each number into expanded form and then solving to find the sum. So 431. Which number is in the ones place? Good. 431. Our 30 means that we want to put a 3 here. And we can see now we have a 4 left. So we can read it in order. 431. Now let's do the same thing for our next number. 572. You can do it in any order. 572. Make sure it lines up. 227755. Perfect. Now, this one, it's important when we add to start from the right side and move to the left, just in case we have any 10 friends that go into the next category. Let's start with 1 plus 2. What's 1 and 2 more? 3. Perfect. So then we'll type our 3. Need to add our tens together. We have a 3 and a 7. What is 3 and 7 more? We count on 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one of our 10 friends. We put a 0 in this place, and we're going to hold a 1 either in our minds or write it down on your paper while you think. So we need to do a 4 plus 5 plus 1. Okay? 4 plus 5 plus 1. Did you catch it on my hands? Otherwise, do add on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus one more, 10. Good. Otherwise, if it makes more sense for you right now, you can use your hands. You can use one of your addition charts like we showed you last time. 5 and 4, 9. One more, 10. 10. So 10, 0, 3. 1003. Excellent. Let's jump to our next one. This time, once we get them into expanded form, we're going to find the difference. That means we're going to subtract them. First, let's expand. We are doing 784 minus 563. Let's start with 784. 700, so 7 in the hundreds place. 80, 8 in the tens place. 4, 4 in the ones place. You've got it. Give this one a try. 563. 563. Perfect. You can do this. Now remember, we're going to be subtracting. So 4 minus 3. So 4, take away 3. 4, take away 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. Good. 8 minus 6. Start with 8, take away 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. You can always check your answer by checking how many fingers. Or you can count up. Start with 6, 7, 8. 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Last one. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 7. Take away 5. 2. Or counting up. 5, 6, 7. 2. 2. Our final answer is 221. Hundreds, tens, oops, ones. Keeps in the same order. And that's it. That's how we get into expanded form.